How to disable SIM PIN on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, tap on Cellular as shown. From here, you can find out how much data you're using and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. In the Cellular menu, scroll down through the various options. Under the SIM section, you will find and tap on SIM PIN to proceed. You are now on the SIM PIN screen. You will see that the toggle switch for SIM PIN is enabled. Tap on this switch to disable the feature. To confirm and complete the action, you'll be prompted to enter your current SIM PIN. Following these steps, you can easily disable SIM PIN on iPhone.